Hello, welcome back to Yoli's Choice. Today, I am super excited to show you. I bought some Beirut trees a little while back, and it is past the prime for me to put them in some dirt before they die on me. So I'm gonna tell you what I bought. I have a Iranian red cherry tree. I have a peach tree, and I have a pear tree. Also have a persimmon and a gooseberry tree inside here, and I'm super excited to have these fruit trees. You know, it's been a long time that I wanted my own fruit trees, and I'm super excited that I'm able to to finally have my own fruit trees. So I'm gonna pot them up, and hopefully they, you know, survive the next few months, because it's only January now, so I can't really do much. But I think they're starting to wake up, which is really scary because I don't want them to die. So I have to put them in some soil now. All right, they came well packaged and wrapped up. So, all right, let's pot these up. Okay, so I have 3 pots of this size that I'm going to plant them in. But first, let's open them up. I think I'm gonna have to take some water to soak the roots in the meantime. I'm doing this in my sunroom. Okay, so I'm gonna get some water. But let's open this up and see. It's been waiting so long. Good. They came pretty good, no damage. I got them from a nursery online. I remember. And then, well, see. Okay, let's see. Let's take this way. I don't want to break any lens. No, it's really good to have an own tree. I've been wanting my own trees for so long. But I finally have them. Okay, so let's see. Okay. Oh, they're in some type of jelly. Oh, to keep them moist. Okay. Okay, all right, so let's do the first one. Oh, okay. All right. They came wrapped up in this jelly thing, which kept them moist. Okay, so let's untangle them. It's not really one that's easy, right here. Okay, so this one is my Fuyu persimmon. Okay, so this is my Fuyu persimmon tree, and look at the root ball. It's a giant root ball, and it is gorgeous. Yeah. So yeah, look at that. I'm gonna dust off this jelly stuff off of it. So yeah, my Fuyu persimmon. Okay, this one, I shake some of that off. This one is my sugar pear tree, which is really good. The root stock on that one. Okay. This one here. I think this is the gooseberry. Yes, this is the gooseberry. Yes, this is the gooseberry. And look at that little. Okay. It has like little thorns on it, so be careful. Okay. And I'll shake that off. I wonder if I should keep some of the jelly stuff in there for moisture. Water. Okay. Okay. This one is the Redskin peach tree. And look at that. Alright, look at that root ball. It's pretty good. Looks good. Nice white roots and everything. And the last one here is the mini cherry tree. I always want a cherry tree, but I think I might have to get another cherry tree. I want to get the Stella, so for the pollination. All right, look at that. Okay. So all this jelly stuff. So I guess I will plant the cherry tree first. They're still pretty moist, so I don't know if I have to put them in water. I'm gonna put them back in the buckets. I'm gonna plant them. Okay. Alright, so in this pot here, I'm not gonna put any fertilizer in it, just potted mix. Just potted mix, which is what I like to do. Milk will potted mix. I'm gonna put it that way. Okay. Oh, it's so cold. Okay. And I'm gonna do the cherry tree first. Right up here. What is in front? This is the peach. So I'm gonna plant the peach tree. I think I'm gonna put it that way more. Okay. I have to make sure I don't cover the grafting point, which is right here. So I'm gonna go down a little bit more so that the roots is all spread out. Let's see if I can bring this down. Yeah. Okay. So I think I'll be able to go down a little bit more. Let's do that. Let's go down a little more. See? Like right here. That should be good. Yeah? Okay. Alright. Okay, there we go. Push that down. I didn't put that more. I'm going to try and cover it right there. Okay. Alright. So that's my pear tree. So we'll be back to do the rest of them. Oh! Like this. Okay. Now we are going to plant the cherry tree. Alright, so we have the cherry tree. This is the cherry tree here. The cherry tree. The root ball is pretty good. Okay. And the grafting is right here. So this was kind of covered. So I'm not gonna, can't plant it too deep. So yeah, baby. Okay. Yeah, the next I come off, I'll put it back in. Okay. That's the cherry tree. Get out the air pockets. Okay, that's the cherry tree. I may put a little more dirt. Cannot bury where it was grafted, so I'm gonna put. Yes. Come here. I have a blanket on. Okay, that's the cherry tree. Alright, so now we have the very last one. I have to get more dirt. And for the pear, this is the sugar pear tree. This was grafted so close. So let's see. Yes, baby. What do you want me to know? Alright, so I'm gonna have to put some of it. Alright, so that's my fruit trees for the summer. I still have to plant the gooseberry, and I still have to plant the Fuyu persimmon tree. No, I gotta get some dirt. Okay guys, so we have potted up the pear, the cherry, and the peach tree. Okay, so yeah, I need to put more dirt in the pear. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and come along the journey this summer to see these beautiful trees. Don't forget to get up and grow. Okay, so I've potted up the 3 big ones for now. I have to go get some more potted in soil. Okay, so I've just watered them in.